So everyone who was not here, what happens is one block turns around at a time. Okay, so I'm gonna click it, and then a random block will turn around. Whatever question is on the other side of the block, you have to start solving it. Okay, I'm gonna give you 3 minutes. I'm gonna give you 3 minutes to figure out that question. And then once you guys are done, if you find the question before 3 minutes is over, then you can post it in the chat. Then yeah, we'll go so on and so forth until we get bingo. So how you get bingo is either 5 across have to be all opened and correct, or diagonally, or going down or up. Okay, so welcome. I hope you have as much fun. If I realize in the other class, when people are not participating, it works when I sing. So I will torture you guys if you do not speak.
He's really good at singing, so you'll enjoy it. But definitely,
Yolanda will say that, but you guys will see. You'll see, guys. You'll see. So I'm gonna start singing if you guys aren't speaking to me, because you guys are obviously here for Christmas carols. That's another thing. I'm gonna be singing Christmas carols, so I won't be singing like those nice songs. Okay, is everyone ready? I'm about to turn around our first block for today, and I feel like some of you might have seen it earlier. Can I have a something in the chat? Yes, we're ready, or no, we're not ready.
We are definitely ready, my pebs. So the rules, just quickly to tell you the rules of the house. Please, everybody, you must be muting yourself, okay? When you're not talking, just mute yourself. When you want to talk to us, you can unmute. You still have to raise your hand because I see it's a big class, but I'm not going to take away the power yet. If y'all don't behave, then definitely I'll take out the power for you to unmute yourself. So please mute yourself. Only unmute yourself when you are talking to us. Okay, let's enjoy.
Look how many people say they're ready. I'm actually excited for today's class. Okay, are we looking? And that is our question. Wait, I feel like we've done this one before. It looks familiar. It's fine. We've done it. Do it again. You guys should be done in 30 seconds if we've done it. Woo! I like it. Everyone's ready. I like it. I think this might be where we ended the last time. Yes, but it's okay. Yes, Pumzile. 72. Wait, which question are we doing, Emmanuel? We're doing the 2/5 divided by a half. I'm pretty sure that's where we ended the last time. Oh, yeah, no, I knew something. Let's not make sure with that one, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. We're recovering. See, when it gets quiet like this is when I start singing, and then you guys are gonna start crying, and I will keep singing. How's it going, guys? Joy to the world. There we go. See, did I not say it always works? What did I say, Yolanda? I sang one note.
And then some answers.
Why? These people love their ears, man. They love their ears. Emmanuel even has his hand up. Guys, this is going to be a great lesson. I'm telling you guys now. Emmanuel, it's here.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Okay, so 2/5 divided by 1/2, ma'am. What I did is I said I switched 1/2 to 2/1, and I said 2/5 times 2/1, and that gave me 4/5.
Thank you very much. I think this is where we ended up the last time. Thank you for explaining it so beautifully for us. So, as Emmanuel explained, we took them times. You took your 1/2, make it 2/1. Then 2 times 2 is 4, and 5 times 1 at the bottom is 5. We explained it the last time as well, I believe. So if it's still a bit, you can watch that other video, okay? Okay, are we ready for the next one? Are we ready for your next one? I'm restarting my timer. We're using the phone, so we can't see. What can't you see, good one? I'm not sure. There is the next one. And go for it, guys. I should have started the timer. This is a beautiful one. I absolutely love it. For anyone who missed the turn, we are doing the blue one at the top. So the square root of 169a squared plus the cube root of 64a cubed. And once again, you know my rule. If no one is saying anything, I'm gonna start singing. It worked the last time. See, I have proven over and over that it works. Kutlano, I think you need to zoom out or zoom in to see properly. Or change your view so that you don't see my face and you see the work instead.
Another thing that helps, you have to log out and in again, and then clearly you're gonna see your screen is just gonna rearrange itself.
Thank you very much. Everyone's ready, everyone's working. I need to keep quiet, I'm cheating. You guys are trying to concentrate. How long do you think I can contain myself before starting to sing?
Definitely less than a minute. 30 seconds. We're giving you 30 seconds. Then you'll be singing, Brad. She loves singing, guys. So
I didn't even get to start my other song properly. And Emmanuel's like, nope, I don't think so. Off. That was not a song. Ha! Emmanuel has given me an answer. I'm gonna wait for a few more people. There's only one person who's answered me. So everyone else, thank you, Emmanuel. I'm still gonna sing though because I want more answers. Sorry to you and your ears. Uti, please do. What was I singing before you interrupted me? Oh, Joy to the World. I think I don't know the words well, so I'm gonna sing a different one. It was on a starry night when the hills were bright. I just remembered we're recording this. Okay, it's fine. Earth lay sleeping, sleeping. Just remembered. So the whole of South Africa is gonna see this. Makes me
definitely.
a little bit nervous, but it's fine. It's okay. I still don't have answers, so I have to continue singing. There's 13 of us today. Well, of you, there's 13 of you, and then there's teacher Yolanda and I. So I deserve more answers. Please, please, please. If you're still working on it, don't panic. Just keep working. When you're ready, pop the answer in the chat. Then in a cattle shed, in a manger bed. We sang this in high school. That was like 10 years ago. A boy was born. Thank you. King of all the world. And all the angels sang for him. The bells of heaven rang for him. Who's struggling? Guys, you can't just keep quiet, né? I'm gonna say something. Either say I don't get it, or I'm struggling, or I got this, something. So far, we only have an answer from Emmanuel and Ukanya. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and explain this one. Guys, so I think it looks like we all understand what the concept of a square root and a cube root. right? So we have a square root of 169, which means what do we multiply with itself to get 169, right? And what is that? What do you multiply? Which question have we answered? Tando, yo, you've been sitting for 4 minutes. I see you. This one at the top. Right at the top, guys, blue block. So the square root, what do you multiply by itself to get 169? Tell me, guys, what is the square root of 169? 13. Thank you very much. But we have an a squared next to it, right, guys? So you have to square root the a squared as well. What do you multiply with what to get a squared? What does a squared mean? It means a times a, right? So what then in that case, then what is the square root of a? We haven't gotten to the second one. There we go, Emmanuel. Thank you very much. So for this first part, the square root of 169 a squared would be 13a. So you write them together. It's okay. Thank you very much. So for the first part, we have 13a, right? Second part, we have our cube root. Cube root works almost the same way, but this time we're asking ourselves, what do you multiply with itself 3 times? Square root was twice, right? In this case, it's 3 times. So what are we multiplying with itself 3 times to get 64? And I saw from the top, okay, no, actually not that many people. I saw Emmanuel says a 4, Takawira says a 4. Okay, so 4 times 4 times 4, 3 of them gives you 64. And now we are back at the a cubed. What do you multiply 3 times to get a cubed? A. I hope everyone else was understanding. So the cube root of 64a cubed is 4a. So now we have a sum that says 13a plus 4a. What is our final answer? "13 apples plus 4 apples. How much do you have?" Not just 17. Thank you, Kukrano. 17a. Thank you, Sahira, Tando. There we go, guys. I hope you guys feel a little bit better about that one. That was a nice one, wasn't it? Thank you, Emmanuel. I see you guys. I see you. Thank you very much. Okay, are we ready? Ready for our next one? I'm not even going to ask teacher Yolanda because she's going to say tree. And I'm not interested in that.
That's the answer. It's gonna be tree.
It's fine.
Guys.
We'll see. Your luck is failing you so far. Because since you started saying tree, it never
It
worked.
hasn't been working.
If I were you, I would reconsider. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go with Santa. I'm gonna go with Santa. Let's see. Ha! I'm betting Lotto today. Okay, guys, that's our question. Negative 5x multiplied by, in brackets, 2x minus 3. Your time has started. Go for it. Remember, if you think you have the answer, you're allowed to put your hand up or pop it in the chat. And if you take too long, I start singing. I see you guys. Hi, Lisha. Lisha looks stressed. She's scratching her head. Emmanuel has all of this energy. I don't know where you get it from, but I need it. I will have what you are having. They're all so quiet. I think they're concentrating. After the 2-minute mark, I'm gonna start singing. We have 30 seconds to save your ears, guys. Ha! See, Manuel doesn't like scary stuff. Manuel, Tando, thank you. You guys have the same answer. I see you. So when I threaten to sing, it works. I think it will work in my own trust. I think so. Emmanuel, let's hear.
Ma'am, so I said negative 5x times 2x, and I got negative 10x. And then I said negative 5x times negative 3, and a negative times a negative is a positive. So I got positive 15x.
Okay,
And
let's
that's
talk about the first one you did, né? You said negative 5x times 2x, right?
Yes.
Negative 5 times 2, I agree, that's negative 10. But what's x times x? Think of this one that we just did here. What's x times x?
Oh, x squared.
X squared. Thank you. Thank you. And everyone in the chat who typed the same answer, I hope you guys can see where we get the x squared from. So the actual answer is negative 10x squared plus 15x. Thank you, Emmanuel. We're going to start putting you on our boosters because you are doing the right thing. Okay, so I hope everyone understands why the answer is negative 10x squared plus 15x. I'm impressed that you guys know how to multiply these things though. You guys really good at integers. Thank you very much. Okay, next round, I need someone else to talk to me, guys. Emmanuel's not the only person in here. Come on. Maybe if the tree turns around, life will change.
You never know. That's what we're waiting for.
Apparently not.
I shall I give up.
Ooh, don't ever gamble, please.
I don't want to bench lotto anymore. I'm not.
Don't ever do it again. This is the end. Okay, guys, we are at the bottom, last row. I don't know what this color is, peach, but then what's the one next to it? It's fine. Second one from the right, guys. It says simplify 16x squared y quad, which is y to the exponent of 4, over 8x squared y cubed. Your 3 minutes have started. Well, now they've started. Go for it. And can someone please, who's feeling confident, who's feeling good, talk to me? Even if you're not sure, we'll talk through it together and figure it out. How did it work? See you guys. We are almost a minute in, so we have 2 minutes to go. I hope I hear from other people as well. Who do we have here? Let's see. Musekiwa, I don't remember hearing from you. Fortunate, welcome. Hi guys. Mho, I remember hearing from you today. Andre, you've been quiet since you got here. Samit. Samit is, Andre is just tired. It's okay. What matters is you're here. You are here with us. Okay, Emmanuel says 2xy squared. Kutlana says 2y. Thank you guys. Gonna wait for a few more answers, please. We are 2 minutes in, so you guys still have a minute to figure this out or ask a question. What do we think? I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. And what does it say after that? Da, 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 do, do, do. Da, 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 da. Mpo. That pulled it out of you. I see you, Mpo. Thank you very much. Mpo agrees with good one. 2i. Tata says 2xy squared. We are past our 3 minutes. Okay, who wants to speak to me? Who else sent an answer? Sahira says 2y. We have a battle of 2i and 2xy squared. I see. I see. Who wants to speak to me? Nobody. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's talk about these, okay? So we have a 16x squared y quad over 8x squared y cubed. So first things first, we deal with the numbers first, right? What does this line mean? This overline that I keep speaking about, what does it mean? Divide. Thank you very much. Means divide, right? So we start with our numbers and we say 16 divided by 8, which is how much? Yes, Emmanuel and Tado, Tagawira, thank you. So what is 16 divided by 8? Thank you, 2. So the first part of our answer will be 2. Yes, thank you very much. Now we deal with x squared divided by x squared. Okay, let's talk about our rules of exponents. Our rules of exponents says, if you have two numbers with the same base, what do you do to the exponents? What do you do to the exponents? If you're dividing two numbers that have the same base, what happens to the exponents? Thank you, Emmanuel. You subtract. So that means x deals with x and the y's deals with the y's. If we have two x's and they're both x squared, what's 2 minus 2? Remember, we are minusing these exponents, right? Thank you, Tando, Sahira, Emmanuel. 0. And anything to the exponent of 0 is how much? This is really a crash course on exponents. Is 1. That means you will have the 2 that you had from 16 divided by 8 times 1. If you times anything by 1, it's just that number, right? So we have a 1 here. That means x squared and x squared have canceled each other out. They're gone. Okay. Let's deal with y's. So remember, who told us so nicely? Emmanuel told us that if you have the same base and you are dividing, then you subtract your exponents. So in the case of y, we have y quad or y to the exponent of 4 divided by y to the exponent of 3, which means that we have a y to the 4 minus 3, which is how much? 1. 1. Thank you. And that's where our y comes from. We usually do not write the 1. If you want to, that's fine. But we'll be left with the answer 2y. I hope everyone understands why the answer is 2y. Yes, there we go. This was really a crash course on exponents, right? It was like everything at once. Okay, we're moving on. Let's see. Still not the tree. Okay. Anyway, our time has started.
Yeah, I gave up on the tree.
I actually even still have hope for you. Just so shame, you know? But I guess not. Okay, guys. So for all of you who might have missed the turn, we are doing solve for x. This one right in the middle. Solve for x if x divided by 2 minus 3 is equal to 7. That's what we're doing now, okay? Our time has started. Go for it. We are 1 minute in and I'm still containing myself and not singing. I am proud of myself. Just saying. Let me fix my seating. Saira says 20? Question mark, question mark. We'll see. I don't know. Paul says 20. Looks like you got your confirmation. You guys are really good at the software stuff, eh? We are halfway through and we already have 2 answers. This is great. Oh, we have another one. I have confidence in this one. Yes, that is what I'm here for. Do you want to talk to me then? Confidence to me means I can unmute and tell you how I got this.
Okay,
Thank you,
accepted your
guys.
challenge. I accepted your challenge. So, so I said 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 equals 10 minus 3 equals 7.
So you did it all the way inverse in your head. That is
Yes.
hectic. That is a brilliant brain. Thank you very much.
Thank
But
you.
let me explain it forward, guys. Half of you are probably like, what just happened? It's okay. I see you showing off, girl. Love it. Okay, guys. So here we have x over 2 minus 3 equals 7. So we're going to get rid of everything that is next to x. First thing that's easy to get rid of is obviously your negative 3, okay? If you take it over, it becomes what? What happens to your negative 3 when it goes next to the 7? Negative 3, when it goes over, it becomes 7 plus 3, right? It becomes positive. So then you'll be left with x divided by 2 equals 10, because 7 plus 3 is 10. Do you get rid of it, divide, you multiply. It's an inverse operation. We do the opposite. We had a negative, we added. Now we have a divide, we multiply. So x divided by 2, if you times it by 2, it gets rid of each other. And then 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. And we get to the answer that everyone in the chat has told us. Thank you very much, guys. X equals 20. Next is not the trees though. Solve for x if x cubed is 64. That one is cheating, but I'm gonna keep quiet. Go for it. Our time has started. Ha, see, I knew it was cheating. Sahira, I see you. I know you know that I know that this was cheating. Even you, Emmanuel and Tando. You know, see that face. You guys know that I know that you know that this one was cheating. Thank you, guys. It's fine. I'll give it to you. Manuel's laughing. I see you guys. Sahira's like a very, very tricky question. They are recording this. I see you. Embrace the opportunity. Wow. Emmanuel's honest, dude. He's not even gonna, he's just like, we saw the opportunity and we took it. Let me stop talking. Okay, so this one, guys, reminds us of the little dude we have up here, right? Obviously, if you have an x cubed, you have to cube root. So if you cube root the left, you have x, and the cube root of 64, as we've established in this question, is 4. So x equals 4. Thank you for cheating me, but it's fine. Let's hope the next one makes up for this easy one. Let's see. Okay. The area of a circle with the radius 5 centimeters is. Time has started. I think this is a worthy one considering the previous one was nice. It's okay. But let's see. Anyone who might have missed it, we're doing the blue one that says the area with, nope, yo, English bundles. The area of a circle with radius 5 centimeters is. Please remember to keep yourself muted so we don't hear your dog barking. Unfortunately, I can't mute, otherwise you can't hear what I'm saying. So hello, who is that? Grandma Maset, please mute yourself.
Remember, if we don't mute ourselves, then we taking the power from everybody, and then it's not gonna be fun. So Masiko, we are asking you nicely, like this, everyone can keep the power. I'm not sure if Masiko can hear us, but looks like your audio is working, Masiko. So please mute on your side.
Okay.
For some reason, I can't mute him.
I also can't. I tried. It does that sometimes though. Yeah, we can't mute. Please, if you can hear us, just quickly mute there. Thank you. Okay, we have 2 answers in the chat. And Emmanuel, right on time, has his hand up. Let's hear.
Okay, ma'am. So the formula for the area of a circle is pi times r squared. So so I said pi times 5 squared because the diameter is basically twice the radius. And I got 25 pi, and I just put it into value, and I got 78,54. Well, the rounded off version. So
thank you very much, Emmanuel. That is correct. Okay, so Emmanuel said something very important. Our formula for the area of a circle is pi multiplied by r squared. So we've been told here that r is 5 centimeters. So 5 times 5, which is 5 squared, would be 25. So for those of you who don't know where to find pi on your calculators, if your calculator looks like this one or similar, you first say shift is this dude at the top here, and then you press this one that says times 10 to the power of x just on top of that, and you'll get pi on your screen. Then you just say times 25 equals. If you do not have that, we accept the rounded off version of pi, which is 3,14. So you can use that as well. And Sahira and Emmanuel are correct. We have 78,54 centimeters. Thank you very, very much. Okay, are we ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Give me 2 seconds. There we go. Okay. And the next one. There we go. The HCF of 12x squared y and 24x cubed y is. This is a very nice one. I like this one. Okay. Timer is set up and let's go for it, guys. We are so close to bingo. I'm actually getting like tense now. Like the final row could be bingo. The third one could be bingo soon because there's only one question missing from each of those 2 rows. It's fine. You're muted now. Just don't unmute so that you don't struggle again. I like this one. Highest common factor. Oof. Shouldn't have done that face. It's going to be on video now. But I was tempted when I saw that. Is it shaking? Must I start singing for you guys to make it better? Hark, all the angels, joyful and triumphant. I don't want to die. Sahira, I will find you. Oh, Kami, oh, Kami. 2, not if I kill you first with my singing. Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Thank you, Emmanuel. See, singing helps. Bye, Lisa. You're being very nice, but thank you. Thank you very much. I'm just going to guess Emmanuel. After all that confidence, I was like, and they're like, no, I'm just guessing. Any more? Thank you for trying, Emmanuel. We have our limits. This question is your limit. It really isn't. You'll see, guys. You guys can do this. Like, I'm not even like worried. You guys can do this. Come on, guys. How much time is left? Okay, Tando also says 12 with a lot of question marks. Sahira says 12. Okay. Palisa says 12. Okay, let's discuss this. Takawira says 12. Let's discuss this, guys. Okay, the highest common factor. I'm glad you guys remember what factors are. The last time there was a bit of confusion with multiples and factors, but it seems like you guys sort of understand now. So between 12 and 24, again, we are starting with numbers and then we'll go to variables. Between 12 and 24, so the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, right? Those are our factors, but we already know that 12 is a factor of 24. So it has to be the highest one because it's the highest factor of 12 overall. So you're correct. For the numbers part, the highest common factor is 12. But let's talk about the variables. Okay, so let's talk about x squared. We are talking about what do both numbers have? X squared is x times x, right? That's 2 of them. X cubed is x times x times x. That's 3 of them. But they both have at least 2 of them. Do you guys understand? 24x cubed has 3 of them, but they both have. There we go, Emmanuel. So the highest common factor between x squared and x cubed is x squared. Thank you, Emmanuel. Does everyone else understand what I'm saying? Yep, there we go. I'm glad if you understand. So the same with the y's. We have one y and one y. So they both have at least one y. Thank you for our complete and final answer. So Emmanuel, as Emmanuel said, therefore our highest common factor will be 12x squared y. Beautiful. That makes more sense. I'm glad, hello. That makes me happy when I hear that say such thing. Like, oh my gosh, okay, I'm wasting time. We want our bingo. Alrighty then. That's a beautiful one. Time has started. Go. We are doing the one right at the top right. 2x plus 3y minus 1 minus negative 4x plus 8y plus 6. Yes, indeed. You guys are making me energetic. Like, I don't want to leave this class ever again. We are so close to bingo, guys. Right?
We can do this. Let's go.
The one at the top right, the gray one, this gray one, the one that says 2x plus 3y minus 1 minus negative 4x plus 8y plus 6. So that one. And we still haven't turned around the tree. You know, there's a problem with these trees. I'm just saying. We are 1 minute in. Guys have 2 minutes to do this. Okay, manual says 6x minus 5y minus 7. Thank you. Gonna wait for a few more people to just pop in their answers. Okay, we are nearly 2 minutes in. We still have a few Santas, Yolanda's trees, a snowman, and a reed. We have 30 seconds left. Anyone? Anyone have a clue? Besides Emmanuel? Don't put your hand down, Emmanuel. I just want to see if everyone else knows where to start. Okay, Lishe has given us an answer. Thank you. Okay, we are 3 minutes in and time is up. Manuel, you are back. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So I said okay, so for negative brackets negative 4x plus 8y plus 6, a negative times a negative, because whenever there's a negative in front of a bracket, it means the negative times the the term inside the bracket. So negative 4 times negative is a positive 4. So I said 2x plus 4x. And then I got 8y times the negative is -8, and 6 times the negative is -6. So I grouped them all together and I said 2x plus 4x plus 3y minus 8y minus 1 and minus 6. And I got 6x minus 5y minus 7.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. That is exactly how you're supposed to do it. Thank you so much. Okay, I see Tando and Takawira also have the same answer. There we go, guys. The only trick here is to distribute your negative, as Emmanuel told us. So this will become positive 4x minus 8y and minus 6. So 2x plus 4x is 6x. 3y minus 8y is negative 5y. And negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. Thank you, guys. Moving on. Ooh, the mean of the following numbers is. Timer ready? Start. What is the mean of the following numbers? The mean, Lishe, is your average. Okay. Remember the whole mean, mode, and median? That's the mean we are talking about. We are doing the mean, Vanessa, the yellow one on the second row. The mean of 9 plus 15 and 9 and a 15 and a 17 and a 17 and a 11 and a 18 and a 15 is. That's the way we do it. I'm going to check my answer quickly. I see you guys have answers ready. And my dog is barking for some reason. Hey, we are all getting different answers. I saw 2 15s up there. Another 15. Rotary says 12. We have 1 minute left. Check your answers. You're missing one important step, Sahira. Almost there. What happens after you add them? There you go. There we go. That's the answer I got, guys. I got 14. So you add 9 plus 15 plus 9 plus 15 plus 17 plus 17 plus 11 plus 18 plus 15. There we go. I'm glad you got 14 because before this, I saw 12, 15. Check your answers carefully, guys. So then you divide by how many there are, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. What's up, Vanessa? All I see is white. Oh, okay, 14, yes. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Let's see. You were close. You guys were very close. Let's just be careful and pay attention to details, okay? Okay. Effort that counts, it does. Okay. We might have our bingo. Okay, let's first, let me not get excited. Let us first work this out.
Are we arriving to our bingo yet? Are we not there yet? I'm the one now who's gonna sing when everyone is quiet, and I don't know how to sing, so y'all better behave.
We'll sing together. I asked you for a request of a carol song, Teacher Yolanda, even today. Yes,
Silent Nights. Those are the only ones that I know. I don't
oh
even know
my
if it's
gosh,
called
what was
Silent
today's
Nights.
Silent Night.
Exactly.
What are the words? Holy night, eyes covered, eyes bright. Sahira got 10. Alicia, we are doing this one here. The orange, no, is that orange or yellow? Eesh. It's so difficult, this one. Second one from the bottom in the last column. Here we are. Okay. I like how I started singing. Sahira's like, I got 10. I got 10. Stop it. Bounce is 10. Oh my goodness. Alice's is 10. Okay, we have 1 minute left. Manuel agrees. That's a 10. This was a great one to end off our night, right? And our minute is up. Takawira says 10. I am inclined to believe you. Let's see. -3 plus 8 is +5. -1 is 4. -7 is -3. Plus 12 is 9. And +1 is 10. That would be bingo. Boop, 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 boop. Well done, guys.
Well done, my page.